Have you been working hard to lose weight for quite some time, but the results are far from your goal? Time is ticking, and you have lost patience. You are now determined to lose much weight within 90 days. Today, we will share with you some tips on how to lose weight in 90 days. Make sure you watch till the end, because you need to work on a combination of these tips for it to be effective. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this and turn on the notification so that you don't miss our videos. Now, let's get straight into the video. The common mistake to avoid is to have a mindset to lose weight really fast. Many starve themselves in the pursuit for an attractive body. It often backfires, leading to different health problems. It can also lead to weight gain. To be successful in the long run, you need a steady step-by-step process. The good news about a 90 days weight loss program is that you can start gradually. You then increase the level of difficulties as you progress. In this way, your body has the time to adapt to the change. This can avoid many regrettable injuries and harm to your body. You need to adopt a holistic approach to weight loss. You have to combine the dietary and workout plan together. If you have one without the other, you would not experience much result. Eventually, you get discouraged and give up. For your dietary plan, you should have at least 3 meals a day. It can be counterproductive to skip meals. Have a balanced diet with a variety of nutritious foods. As for the workout plan, you should start with less intensive workout. In this way, your body has time to adjust and avoid any physical injuries. As you progress, you can gradually increase the difficulty level. You should expect to lose about 2 pounds each week. If you lose more weight at the beginning, it means that you're losing weight too fast. This would inevitably result in weight gain. So, what are the foods to eat? Number 1. Take more protein. It is essential to include protein in your diet. Protein is one of the main components of human tissues. You need protein to build and repair your muscles. After a weight training workout, enough protein intake can help you maintain your muscle mass and burn fat. Taking foods high in protein has numerous benefits. It boosts your metabolism so that you can burn more calories. Hormones can change your response to hunger. You can eat more protein to replace bad carbohydrates and fat. A higher protein intake will reduce your hunger hormones. As a result, it helps you lose weight because it is filling and it tames your hunger. Protein can also curb your desire for late night snack. People tend to gain weight when they snack at night because more calories are added on top of their daily meals. Together with regular exercises, it helps you to tone your body and build lean muscles. Lean muscle is known to burn calories throughout the day. A good selection of protein sources include fish, beans, eggs, nuts, seeds, and lean meats. They are rich in nutrients but low in unhealthy fat and calories. It is also good to have a mix of varieties to keep your meal interesting. As calories still count, it is important to avoid overconsumption. It's best to add fruits and vegetables in your protein-rich diet. Number 2. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are essential ingredients for a healthy body. They contain a lot of fiber, minerals and vitamins, but they are low in calories and fat. This makes them effective for weight loss. Research shows that we tend to eat almost the same quantity of food each day. In order to lose weight, we can vary the proportion of protein, carbohydrates, and fats in our diet. A good way is to raise the proportion of food low in calories and fat. Fruits and vegetables are ideal ingredients. They do not contain much calories and fats. In this way, they make you feel full for the same quantity of food without having to worry about calories. As they contain much fiber, they can keep you feeling full longer. In this way, you can avoid reaching out to unhealthy and fattening snacks. This is why fruits and vegetables play a critical role in any weight loss program. You can enjoy various types of fruits and vegetables. Not only does the variety make your foods more appetizing, it also provides a good combination of vitamins and minerals. You can also eat them in various forms, be it fresh, dry, or in pure juice form. but you must ensure that they are unprocessed foods. This is because processed foods contain high level of sugar and starch that can make you gain weight. Number 3, eat less refined carbs. For a healthy body, it is not possible to eliminate the intake of carbohydrates completely. You need carbohydrates as energy source. If you stop eating carbohydrates altogether, you are more likely to gain weight later. But taking in too much carbohydrates can lead to gain weight and fat. This is particularly true for refined carbohydrates such as sugar, white bread, rice, and pasta. They are high in calories but low in nutrients. They are easy to digest. Overconsumption of these processed foods would also increase your insulin and blood sugar level. Therefore, avoid sugars and carbohydrates as they can lead you to gain weight quickly. Instead, choose whole grain meals such as whole wheat bread, oats, and brown rice. They are low in calories and high in fiber. You will feel more filling and digest more slowly. Such diet can lower your appetite and help you lose weight. It can also reduce your blood sugar level. Number 4, cut back on unhealthy fat. In a 90-day weight loss plan, you cannot afford to include diet that can derail your effort. In general, fatty foods contains a lot of unhealthy fats. They are tempting and irresistible. Once you start eating them, it is hard to stop. This makes them one of your greatest enemies. Instead, you can include healthy fats into your diet. Including healthy fats into your meal adds flavor to your food. It slows digestion and provides energy to your body to support cell growth. Healthy fat also helps your body to absorb nutrients and produce essential hormones. Nuts and seeds are full of healthy fat, vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fiber. Having nuts and seeds in your diet can help you lose weight. They are ideal ingredients for people with insulin resistance, given their low carbohydrates content. Olives and avocados provide a huge amount of healthy fat. Olive oil can lower the risk of heart and other cardiovascular diseases. Number 5, get cardio workout. Cardio exercises such as aerobic, jogging, cycling, swimming, and stair climbing are ideal for weight loss. They are excellent physical activities to burn fat and build mental health. They are also extremely effective to lose belly fat. A fundamental weight loss principle is to consume less calories than the amount you burn. This is to create a calorie deficit condition. This would lead you to lose weight quickly. There are devices and app trackers to help you monitor how much calories you take against the amount of calories you burn. How much weight you lose depends on how much exercise you perform. If you don't have the time to exercise to burn the desired level of calories, it is best to consume less calories. In general, cardio exercise will lead you to burn more calories than weight training for the same amount of effort. It is important to adopt a variety of exercises so that your body can use the different muscle groups to burn fats. For optimal weight loss, it is best to have a combination of cardio exercise and weight training. Number 6, weight training. Although weight training burns less calories than cardio exercises, it raises your metabolism. This prevents you from losing muscle mass. Weight training is to build muscle, and muscle burns more calories and fats during rest. This means that your body is not confined to burn calories while you exercise. Your body continues to burn calories even after the workout. Weight training also provides the benefits in shaping your body. Having a plan is only half a better one. You need to put all these plans into actions and monitor your progress regularly. In order to maintain a sustainable loss in weight, choose those healthy foods and exercises that you enjoy. If not, you may end up giving up halfway through the journey. In summary, a 90-day weight loss program is not as frightening as it seems. It is highly achievable if you are disciplined. Avoid rushing into achieving rapid weight loss results by starving yourself. Losing about 2 pounds a week is fairly achievable without putting too much strain on yourself. Try to reduce your calorie intake, but do not skip meals. Have 3 meals a day with smaller portions. Avoid processed carbohydrates, fatty foods, and snacks as much as possible. Eat lean meat, fruits, and vegetables instead. Combine the right dietary plan with regular cardio and weight training workouts. With perseverance and discipline, you're on the right track to lose weight in 90 days. consult your nutrition specialist for further advice. You can also watch my next video on how to lose weight fast. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss more video on how to lose weight, improve health and build muscle. I will see you in the next video and take care.